Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Principal ka St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School, brother A. Benjamin, ulaong Naduh kipot ba Mynshwa ujubna ba ka Skul St. Edmund Barabor, ka Jiwan Shakhmat haka result na ka art stream. Ulaong ba menta ka sngi ka ba kemen bat sngo sarong na ka benta ka Skul, ba barok ki khana ki ya pas bha khlamdan ba fail watang iweiru. Ula ai khuble ya barok ki nong trei jong ka Skul, bat ya ki nong hikai ki bat reshitom na ka benta ki khana Skul. Kani ka long kapor ka ba kemen na ka benta ka Skul, bat na ka benta ki nong hikai ki bat reshitom ulaong. Brother Benjamin ulaong ru bakini ki khana ki balapoi hakakardan top 20 na ka Skul St. Edmund kide ki khana ki ba ula ithu bha bat kide ki ba Jiwan Shakhmat hagijing pule jongki par uju karshan ru yaki hakanu kanu kalyang bakindan kam jingyaram.
I've been told long back that St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School has always had good results in arts. So today we are very happy and proud that our students have done well. We also got to know that it's 100% results. So all students have passed. So it's a great moment for us in St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School, a great moment for our teachers who work tirelessly, giving individual attention to students who need the attention. Congratulations to all other staff members who are working over here. And congratulations to our students who worked hard not just before the exam but during the course of the 2 years that they have been here. And these students who stand out today, who have got positions, are students who have made a mark for themselves in the school. I know them, I've interacted with them, and from my own side I have given them all the support and encouragement that they needed, and today I feel very proud that they have reached this stage in their life where they are position holders.
The first, fifth and ninth, how do you rate them, their studies?
Gaurav has been a very good student. I'm sure all the teachers would share my opinion. He has also taken part in a lot of co-curricular activities, especially debate. He has won prizes for the school in inter-school debates. Hima has also been a very good student. He has been a class prefect and he has worked very hard through the year. So these students have been extremely good in their own ways. It's also the work of the student. How does the student apply himself or herself, taking a liking to different subjects and working hard at those subjects. So it's the work of the students also that we must give credit to.